Security is invaluable. Freedom from anxiety is what society has been searching for over time. Living in a digital generation of wonders, where safety and privacy makes one of our major daily concerns, Entrypass innovates and creates a safer world for you. With 15 years of experience, Entrypass soars as one of the most trusted and innovative companies amongst the players in the industry. Across all industries such as banking, government, education, high-rise residential, hospital, manufacturing and commercial segment, our unified solution has been deployed in over 25 countries worldwide. Human capital, inspire innovation, superior quality and trusted partnership is our focus to serve you. Entrypass pledges to serve the world with a continuous sense of security. With our continuous efforts in R&D, it enhances us to fulfill the world's needs. Entrypass is the solution for productivity, cost efficiency and usability. Therefore, our design methodology aspires to achieve scalability, speed and simplicity with our very own active network technology. At Entrypass, we empower a simple concept and aim to deliver absolute control to our user by providing you complete detection, verification, response and control on our unified security solution. From door access, biometric solution, video surveillance integration, read-write application, web-based application, long-range solution, turnstile and barrier gate, visitor management system, time attendance, elevator control, alarm and door status monitoring, fire alarm integration, and online guard tour. At Entrypass, we have a different mindset. We will stand by you rather than stand behind you. We commit to deliver attentive service, best solutions and convincing results to our client. This has led us to long-term growth of supporting customers and partners over the years. With innovative technology, unified solution and unique concept. Entrypass, total control in your hand.